Okay, let us see in model design, we have EDA activity where it can be used in
Sir,
ML.
screen is not visible.
Oh, a Copilot, right. Wait. Okay, you are able to see, right? Copilot.
Not
Okay.
updated, sir, still.
1 minute. What is happening here? Select. Is it visible?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
In model design, we have an EDA activity where it can be used in ML model for doing right design. This is the prompt I wanted to use it here. Let us ask her and follow that. Okay, so here the role of exploratory data analysis in model design is a crucial step in machine learning ML model design. It involves analyzing and visualizing data. To analyzing and visualizing, there are different activities. Data analysis is there, data visualization is there. To understand its structure, patterns, and relationship before applying ML algorithms. EDA helps in making informed decisions about data processing, feature selection, model selection. So here is where EDA fits into the ML model design process. In data understanding and discoveries, EDA is used at the initial stage of ML model design to understand the data and uncover insights. Initial stage of ML model design means exploring the data. You are going to identify the data example and preparing the data. You can identify trends, patterns, anomalies, and relationships that may impact the model's performance. This steps helps in forming hypothesis and guiding further analysis. It means data understanding discovery also it is related with EDA, exploratory data analysis, because it comes under data analysis. Then data cleaning and pre-processing involves through EDA. You can identify missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies in the data. So it means all these tasks are related to EDA also. It helps in making decisions about data cleaning and pre-processing techniques, such as handling missing values, removing duplicates, and addressing outliers. This ensures the data is of high quality and suitable for model training. Then feature engineering. EDA provides insights into the importance and relevance of different features in data sets. By analyzing feature distributions, correlations, interactions, you can create new features or transform existing ones to improve model performance. It means everywhere EDA is involved related to data till model is finalized. It is a parallel activity, right? So feature engineering is critical for enhancing and predictive the predictive power of model. Okay, feature selection is what EDA helps in identifying redundant or relevant features that do not contribute to the model's performance. So whatever features are there, it is going to identify. That process also comes under EDA. Let us say you identified some features, they are not relevant, they are redundant, repeating, then you need to reduce it. By visualizing correlations and performing statistical tests, you can select the most relevant features for model training. This step helps in reducing the complexity of model and improving its efficiency. Yes. So EDA process is running across tasks or across activities for model design till model data visualization is happening. It means it is a parallel activity for every activity or task in model design. So finally, if you see, Understanding data distribution is there. EDA allows to understand distribution of the target variable and features by visualizing data distributions. You can determine if the data is skewed, normally distributed, or follows any other pattern. This information is essential for selecting appropriate machine learning algorithms and techniques. It means in the beginning, some of the parts of the EDA activities or tasks are applied. During model design, some data related analysis, if you are applying, again EDA is applied. So you can't say hard and fast rule. The EDA is applied at this point, at this step only, or something. So identifying relationships and patterns. EDA helps in identifying relationships between features and target variables by visualizing scatter plots, heat maps, pair plots. You can discover correlations and patterns that may impact model's performance. Understanding these relationships aids in making informed decisions during model design. You see here, you have used plots, right? Graphs
Yes, sir.
also.
Yeah.
There also it is included EDA.
Yeah. So this is not a step. It is involved in every
It is a
steps.
process basically. EDA is a process for data analysis purpose. Okay, validation and assumptions. EDA is used to validate assumptions about the data and problem being addressed. By exploring the data, you can test hypotheses and ensure the data aligns with the assumptions required for certain machine learning algorithms. Yes. So once your data is applied it, finalized it, cleaned and finalized it, you are going to apply algorithm for particular analysis purpose. There also it is involved in it because you are doing data analysis with algorithms. This steps helps. This step helps in selecting the right algorithms and techniques for the model. So after doing the data analysis, you need to select the data, the algorithm for the model design purpose. Then eighth one is visualization and communication. EDA provides visualizations that help in communicating data insights and findings to stakeholders. Visualizations such as histograms, box plots, scatter plots, and correlation matrices make it easier to explain data characteristics and justify decisions made during the model design process. Yes, obviously, used these things also where the Python script pull this kind of data as part of the algorithms, inbuilt algorithms, and it use it for decision making purpose. It means EDA is involved in these tasks also. Tools and techniques for EDA. EDA evolves various tools and techniques including statistical analysis, data visualization, correlation analysis, dimensionality, reduction. It means all these are part of the EDA framework.
Yes.
See here, incorporating EDA into ML model design process ensures through thorough understanding of the data, leading to better informed decisions and ultimately more accurate and robust machine learning models. So, to design robust models, EDA is applied. It. Let us say if QA engineer comes and verifies robustness of your system, you need to use the checklist for EDA process what you followed it from top to bottom for data analysis. Okay, basically this is meant for exploratory data analysis. You are exploring the data analysis steps, data analysis tasks. All those are applied for EDA wherever it comes. So, example in your Excel sheet, if you see, you are doing lot of steps related to data only. Till the model is finalized, it is possible to say SCD is involved across the tasks. So you have to recheck your activity. If anywhere it is said EDA process separately, that need to be updated basically. That activity or step name. Because in the previously old steps, if you see exploratory data analysis, but still in the EDA, it has given histogram plots in the Excel sheet, unique values, counts, basic data understanding, and exploration it is given. Because of that, outliers also, correlation analysis, trend analysis. So all these are tasks under EDA process. But if anywhere you are doing data analysis in your activities, again EDA will come into picture. So you have to check it. Handling missing values are there. Let us say that is also data analysis. So instead of that, you rename that activity as a different one for step 4 in your access in your Excel. Let us say I'm showing your Excel also. You're able to see Excel?
No, sir.
Still not appearing. Two times.
Now, okay.
Now it is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now,
See here, this need to be analyzed. You need to ask to rewrite this activity name, rename into a suitable name, as EDA is a common activity across the data analysis tasks. Okay. So you should not show EDA only, because it has got clean data set for modeling you are getting, final validation you are doing. That is also data analysis. Validation comes data analysis. Okay. So these are the differences for your EDA. Okay. Right. So that's the difference here in the activities wise EDA where you can use it. Okay. So I'll stop recording for this one.